Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today we'll discuss about marketing management, what marketing management is all about and how it works. Let's start with overview of marketing. What basically is the meaning of marketing? What basically is the definition of marketing? Marketing basically is a process of promoting and advertising a product to increase the visibility in the market. For example, I have a product, I have manufactured a product and I want to sell this product. Before I sell this product, what I need to do is I need to actually take this product out into the market to increase the awareness among the consumers about my product. For that, what I need to do is I need to advertise and my product into the market so that the people will be coming to know of my product and they will be showing interest in my product, thus leading to the sale of my product. This is basically what an overview of marketing is all about. Now, how actually marketing works? In short, basically marketing is a culmination of a need. It basically is a culmination of a need. What is the need? I am actually the owner of the product and my need is that I want to sell this product out in the market and make money out of that product. Now there is a buyer out there in the market, and what is the need of the buyer? The buyer actually wants to use my product for their own purposes. Now this is basically what is the culmination of need is all about. There is actually a seller and there is actually a buyer. The seller wants to sell his product and the buyer wants to buy this product to use for their own purposes. Now this is basically what culmination is all about. There is a culmination of a need both for the buyer and the seller. Now let's say how this culmination of the need works. The culmination of the need works in two multiple ways. If I have a product and I want to advertise this product, I want to promote this product out there in the market, I can do it in multiple ways. I can use the offline methodology such as print media and electronic media. I can leverage the print media and the electronic media to promote my product and to advertise my product. On the other hand, we also have got the online means. Through the websites, through the blogs, through social media, through email marketing, I can actually promote my product in multiple ways. This is actually how the flow of marketing works. Now the concept of exchange. What basically is the concept of exchange? There are actually two parties to it. The party one is actually the buyer and the party 2 is actually the seller. Now the seller has a need, the buyer has a need, they actually come together to actually close a deal. The seller sells his product and the buyer buys that particular product, and therein actually these two parties are coming together to actually create that concept of exchange between two of them. Now what basically we have seen in this, we have seen the definition of marketing, we have seen the overview, the flow and the concept of exchange. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope to see you again.